How to use Apple Notes for productivity. Alright guys, in this video I'm going to go ahead and teach you how to use Apple Notes for your productivity fast, simple, and effective. So let's go ahead and dive right in. Alright, so for those that don't know, this is what the Apple Notes application should look like on your iPhone device. Just go ahead and tap on that so that you could get started on this. Basically, what you need to do if you want to go ahead and use Apple Notes for your own productivity is one of the main key features on Apple Notes is you could actually use hashtags to tag one of your notes for easy sorting. So let's go ahead and, for example, tap on this test folder over here that I created a while ago and then create a new note. So I'm going to go ahead and just type in some random letters just for this example and add some bullet points as well so that we'd have some content over here on this folder. Now you could actually go on over on this on the title over here and then basically proceed with entering a tag. So use the hashtag symbol on your symbol options, and you could also enter whatever tag you'd like. Let's say, for example, I want to tag this specific note with the self tag. So I'm going to go ahead and just have that saved and tap on done once you're done. And by doing so, it does have that tag over here on the top. And once you do a quick search over here, let's go ahead and do a quick search of this hashtag self. And as you would see, it's going to show up over here like so. When you tap on this note over here, where the tag is, that's where you could find it easily. Now, that is only one of the few features. The next one I want to go ahead and discuss is you could also pin important notes onto the top. So if you go ahead and tap on one of your notes over here and then choose any note that you'd like to be pinned, let's say, for example, we want to go ahead and have this note pinned over here. Just go ahead and just tap on pin notes so that you could have that on the top of all of your notes, so that whenever you tap on your note, your Apple Notes application, you could see this pinned note over here on the top to keep you reminded of your most recent and important notes. You could also create some checklist for tasks if you want to, just by tapping on your preferred note and then tapping on this checklist icon over here. You can now create a quick and easy checklist. Let's say, for example, this is a quick grocery list. So you're going to go ahead and need a bunch of cans of tuna. You also need maybe a soap and a toothbrush. So basically, you could create a quick to-do list over here and then also have that checked automatically. And whenever you guys check on your check boxes, it is automatically going to be sorted for you, ready to go. Essentially, that's all for this video, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe.